Done, Nikki.
Completed?
Yeah.
Yes.
Done with the page.
Okay. So the meaning of iterative is nothing but developing a project in repeated cycles with smaller portions. Okay. So we are going to repeat the SDLC process again and again for each module. Completed?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, Nikki. Nikki, can you explain one more time what is risk analysis?
So risk analysis is nothing but like as I said, if we are going to change the requirements continuously, so there will be heavy risk. So risk is nothing but an unconditional event or condition which is going to show impact on time, cost, scope.
Okay.
Okay, so if there is any unconditional event or unrealistic thing that is happening, and if it shows impact on time, cost, and scope, then we will say that it has a risk. Okay, so if we continuously keep on changing the requirements, then there may be every risk in the project.
Okay. So at what point the risk analysis is done in SDLC process?
So in SDLC process, we are going to do risk analysis before starting, that is before starting the first phase.
Okay.
Okay, so once we get the project, after signing off and everything, we are going to do risk analysis. So what amount of risk is involved in this project. So based on that, we are going to take some actions.
Okay.
So
So this is
yeah, we are having a separate concept called as risk analysis and management. So that is in our module number 13.
okay.
Okay. So at that point of time, I will explain you what is risk analysis and how to manage